How to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Gmail account, and once you're on the app's interface, open the email from the sender you want to unsubscribe from. Okay, so just open the email, and after opening the email, the next step is for you to locate the unsubscribe link. Sometimes it's usually located at the top part of the screen, and other times it's located at the bottom part of the screen. Just ensure you locate the where it is. For this particular email, the unsubscribe link is located at the bottom part of the screen. So just click on unsubscribe, and then you'll be redirected to your web browser. And once you're on the web browser's page, you would be notified that you have successfully unsubscribed from that particular email, and then you can continue with your duty or with whatever you are doing on your Gmail application. So that is it. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.